Everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi 17, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And here you've got kind of basic data, the general one, tap in the middle of the screen, and here you've got way more info, so you can check each day, you can check notifications received, times opened, or visited screen time. If you'll go back, you can pick particular app and check statistics for this app only. You can check it daily or hourly. And then also here you can switch to notifications received or times opened. So that's it. Just keep an eye on screen time. It's super important nowadays. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.